This is so satisfying to play. Combines dynamics, combines single strokes, combines some linear tasty stuff. Try it out. I'm in love with this groove. I love it. First we got a rough. Just 4 single strokes, but 30-second notes. Followed by a right-left, accent that right. So you got that, and then there's a group of 3, at least that's how I think of it. So we've got right, ghost note with the left on the snare drum and a kick. Then we bring that right hand down just to finish off this half and get an accent on the snare again. Maybe even a rim shot. Let's move on to the second half. Once you've hit that accent on the right, kind of be prepared to hit a hi-hat as well. Left hand is up, ready to hit that hi-hat. As we're starting on the hi-hat. Left, right, right, left, left, kick, right. And there is a knack to how I play this because it feels like inverted doubles, because it kind of technically is. I also, with that double left, because I can, I put a ghost note and then an accent. Just makes it sound more rhythmically interesting. Oh, and that sets you up perfectly to come back for that rough. I like this a lot. I hope you like it too. Big love. Mwah.